Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do two unboxing from Cosy Island. Cosy Island is an emerging footwear and handbag company dedicated to creating a brand that caters to individuals who pursue fashion and a comfortable lifestyle. This is how the packaging looks. Next is the company saying, "Comfort without compromise." This is how it looks in the inside. Everything is packaged neatly. The heels came with 2 dust bags for protection. This is how the heels look. Oh my gosh, they're so gorgeous. This is the diamond pointed toe pump in the color gold, and it's crafted with glitter. These heels have an arch support insole, which makes them super comfortable when putting them on. They're perfect for any occasion. But me personal, I'm wearing them for a Christmas party and for a New Year's Eve party. You can elevate your wardrobe with a premium pump like this. I just love how these heels fits with jeans. These heels are super comfortable. These are one of the most comfortable shoes that I've ever worn before. Just look at them. Oh my gosh, they're so gorgeous. Next, I'm going to show the shoe insole. And on the package, it said Cozy insole makes the shoe fit better. And this is how the packaging looks. And this is how the insoles look. And I'm going to turn it around. And this is how the back looks. Next, I'm going to show the dust bag for the handbag. And this is how it looks. And this is the bag. Next, this is how the handbag looks. I'm going to turn it around. It is so pretty. This is a better view of the top handle rhinestone evening handbag. The color of the bag is gold. This bag is crafted with a eye-catching rhinestones. This bag will complement any outfit and make you look expensive and luxury. This is how it looks when you move the closure up and expose the zipper. This is how the bag looks open. Make sure you use my discount code CurvyKey15YT to save 15% off your total. This website has tons of shoes to choose from and handbags that you won't be disappointed, and I'm sure everyone will find something that will fit them. Thanks for watching.